Echo is 4 miles to the west, inbound for 32.
Oh, you said 25 on the flaps. I'm sorry.
Yes, I did. That's all right.
Ocean County traffic, Archer, Juliet Alpha is upwind to runway 32, staying on the pattern.
Ocean County traffic, Skymaster turning final 32, Ocean County.
You got that traffic over there?
Got him. Looks like he's departing to the north.
Yeah, he was trying to join the pattern. We just messed them all up. That's not our fault. So if we would have extended our down or our upwind and joined the crosswind, that's what it would have happened with the other airplane that was on the takeoff roll. Just keep your eyes peeled. Yeah, the 25 degrees of flaps would have gave us a little bit of a short field performance.
Yeah. I didn't catch until
that's all right.
I took them all out already, you know, shit.
I wasn't going to say anything about it.
419er Golf on the localizer 284 miles.
You were already focused on the departure, so.
Got traffic over here too. Extend our crosswind. Let this one go.
Roger.
Ocean County. Ocean County, Twin Comanches forward to the north. We're planning on entering the left downwind 32. Ocean
Get a little further away from him. What's this guy doing?
Ocean County traffic, Archer 41, Juliet Alpha is on the downwind, runway 32, Ocean County.
Ocean County 2148 Echo. We're beam the numbers on downwind for 32, Ocean County.
Yeah, he's like super close. That's what he did. Did a cock block maneuver.
Well, yeah.
Gateway traffic.
You were already in the pattern. You had the right of way.
Yep.
Ocean County 2148 Echo, turning base for 32, Ocean County.
Ocean County traffic, Archer is behind, actually a beam number 1 traffic on left base. Will be number 2, runway 32, Ocean County.
Ocean County traffic, you got a Skyhawk about 5 to the northeast. Can enter to the left downwind 32, Ocean County.
Ocean County 152, left downwind 32 has the both aircraft ahead of us in sight, Ocean County.
To runway 28 Heritage.
I don't really know if that guy even.
Traffic, Cardinal base 28 K-Max.
If we even know where we were at.
Not bad, coming down from Linden.
Ocean County 2148 Echo is on final for 32, Ocean County.
That Captain Steve.
K-Max traffic, Cardinal final 28 K-Max.
Ocean County, Twin Comanches, midfield, left downwind 32. We have the traffic in sight ahead of us.
Short final for runway 28, touch and go, departing for the northeast, Heritage.
It'll come down. Give it time. You can practice a slip. Get the nose down though. There you go. Don't let it drift, so take a little bit. Yep, so add a little bit more rudder than aileron. There you go.
I was happy with that. Dropping 4.
Ocean County 152, left base 32, number 2.
Call us on final yet?
No, but she's got us.
Ocean County traffic, Archer, Juliet Alpha, 9 short final, runway 32, touch and go, Ocean County.
Hotel Romeo, you on left base for 3-2?
Affirmative for Hotel Romeo.
Okay, I'll swing it wider then. Thank you.
We're pretty far out, but we're getting ready to turn final.
Okay, gotcha.
Alright, start reducing that power so we can get that second center line. And we're going to go to flaps 25 when you touch and go. Alright, reduce power to idle. Keep the nose down, it'll come down. And slowly round out. There it is. And just hold it. Let it come on down on its own. Don't force it down. Go around. Go around, go around. Full power, full power, full power. Flaps 25. You can't let it porpoise like that. The bounces are going to get worse and worse.
Ocean County, Twin Comanche's on a 4-mile left base 3-2, Ocean County. Ocean County traffic, Skyhawk 4692 Golf. We are joining what would be the left downwind for 2-4. We're going to enter an extended crosswind for 3-2. We got the upwind traffic in sight. We'll follow in behind.
Clear of obstructions. 1 notch out.
County 152, final 3-2, Ocean County.
Final notch out.
That bounce was caused by you shoving the nose down on that last little bit. Just keep it back.
I didn't think I gave it that much.
You didn't give it that much. It was just enough to cause that.
Traffic upwind in Ocean County, you staying in the pattern?
Affirmative, Juliet Alpha is turning left crosswind. 3-4, correction, 3-2, Ocean County.
Okay, Roger, Skyhawk 4692 Golf. We're following in behind you, Juliet Alpha.
Traffic, experimental 907 Mike Bravo is 10 miles to the east of the field, inbound on the practice ILS, runway 29, Chester.
Keep it a little tight. Go ahead, turn.
Ocean County, Twin Comanche, 2-mile final behind the Skyhawk, Ocean County. 3-2.
You got a Comanche behind the person on final. Let me know when you got him in sight.
We got one coming in right now.
And then you got the Comanche on a final behind
Over
him.
there.
Yep.
Got him.
Hannah, you're full stop, right? Ocean County traffic.
You ain't doing nothing, Skymaster. Let's go ahead and slow it down.
152, touch and go, got some traffic in sight.
Go ahead and slow it down to 90 knots.
And Ocean County, Twin Comanche's on a half-mile final 3-2, Ocean County. Ocean County traffic, Skyhawk 4692 Golf, left downwind 3-2, Ocean County.
Go ahead and slow it down at 80 knots now.
Queen City traffic, Archer 1.
Alright, Comanche's past us.
9 miles south.
80 knots.
Inbound for 45 for runway 25, Queen City traffic.
There is traffic, Skyway, Juliet Alpha.
Alright, let's start turning base.
Here it is.
Ocean County traffic, 41 Juliet Alpha is turning left base, runway 32, Ocean County.
Let's go ahead and slow it down to 70 knots now.
Queen City traffic, Archer 8 miles south over the river.
Ocean County, Twin Comanche clearing 3-2, Ocean County.
That ain't gonna bother.
Chester County traffic, experimental 907 Mike Bravo is 5 miles to the east of the field, inbound on the practice ILS, runway 29, Chester County.
Ocean County traffic, 41 Juliet Alpha is on short final, runway 32, Ocean County.
Ocean County traffic, Skyhawk 4692 Golf, left base 3-2, number 2 for the field behind Juliet Alpha.
Hey, Cape Travis, Sears, 5 out, southwest inbound for 19, teammate.
Steadily traffic, Sky 777, about 4 miles southeast from the field, preparing for 45 downwind, runway 25.
Ocean County 152, downwind 32 would be the numbers, Ocean County.
Ocean County traffic, Skyhawk 4692 Golf, turning final, number 2 for the field.
Hey, just hold the nose up, don't let it come down. Hold the nose up.
Stopping?
Go. Yep, go. Not trying to wait this line. Keep that center line. You're rounding out, you're not really flaring it. As soon as you round out, you're pretty much just quitting it right there, just holding it and just mushing it down. So you gotta flare it, you gotta bring a little bit more nose up, get it on those landing gears. Cushion the landing a little bit more.
Okay. Ocean County traffic, Skymaster departing 32. Ocean County. Ocean County traffic, you got a aircraft on short final, don't go Skymaster.
Airspeed.
Check final.
Airspeed.
What the hell's going on behind us over there, huh?
Well, the Skymaster's getting pissed because everybody was doing touch and goes and not letting them go.
County 152, left base 32.
Ocean County traffic, 41 Juliet Alpha, turning left crosswind, runway 32, staying in the pattern.
Ocean City, New Jersey.
Yeah, one more takeoff out of here. We'll go to Lakewood and give this area a break. Yeah, so that round out, just keep bringing, after the round out, keep flaring it. Keep bringing that nose up.
Okay. Yeah, I was trying to transition, you know, to like slow flight, just let it.
You pretty much, you did the transition and you went right into the landing.
Ocean County traffic, Skyhawk 4692 Golf.